Do you think I am French? I'm naturally okay. Not a game by Draw Me a Pizza. This is actually amazing.
Hello, user. I've got some bad news.
Okay.
Actually, there's no game. I hope you're not too disappointed.
I am.
You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book,
Okay.
ask for a refund.
What do you mean?
No refund, that game is free. This is not a game. It's nothing like a game. It's just a massive bundle of boredom. There's nothing to do in here. You can quit and leave me alone.
No.
Thank you.
Blah blah blah.
Goodbye.
This is calling Pick-a-Boo.
Oh, and please do not touch the title. It's not quite dry yet. Especially the letter O.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that sound.
What have you done? You've just ruined the title. Put it back. Put the letter back.
I'm
Come
fine.
on. Come on! Ah, never mind. I will fix it the next time someone launches the game. The non-game. No game here.
Okay.
No game.
Oh. Maybe. Oh yeah. Let me pick up. This beats so hard. Yeah. Nox is calling, Pick-a-Boo. Nox is calling, Pick-a-Boo. This song.
Seriously, are you going to wreck everything?
I don't know.
There's no reason to use that icon since you're just leaving.
I want.
Isn't that right?
No. Well.
Don't touch that! That was horrible! I'm a voice, you know,
Yes,
and a speechless voice is like a death.
you know. What a burden. Should I touch it again? Let's touch it again.
You're trying to kill me. Okay then.
Do you think I'm not?
Since you like to click everywhere. I'll stop it right now.
No.
I think that's enough. You're stubborn as a mule. You will need to call Superman for that one. Just in case. A little bit of kryptonite.
Oh, now you're
I know Superman does not exist, but since we're in a game... No, we're not.
Mix 6.
You're still here.
Yeah.
You're thinking about trying to lift that big box, aren't you?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, go on. Destroy my life.
I'm the
What a mess.
Oh,
I hope you will clean up before you go.
There. I'm gonna learn 3. was that? Okay, I'll check. I'm under.
Just what do you think you're doing, user?
I don't know. Spread my finger. Privacy.
No! Don't look! It's private!
I knew it.
You're going to make a terrible mistake.
I look at them. Whatever. Dream mode. Let's play some. There's a dream mode. Yeah, no more. There's a game. Okay.
No, 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 no!
Pino. Break.
Get out of here!
No.
Don't play it! It's forbidden! If you play, they will come. I don't want them to come. They can't kill me, you know?
I don't care.
Please. Stop hitting the bricks! I must find a way to stop you. No, I've got an idea.
Oh no. What? How
It
dare
will
you?
be harder now without a ball.
How am I supposed to do that? Hey. Do you see the ball on the screen? Yes. Draw.
The ball is gone. Nowhere to be found.
Oh.
This isn't funny anymore. Leave now, please. Oh no. They're here. Glitches. Glitches everywhere.
Yeah, blast.
I told you to stop.
Okay.
You must find a way to get rid of them. Oh, this is a disaster. How will I ever become a smash hit with all these glitches? Think. What would the developer add to help sell a creation that's full of bugs? I can think of 3 things. Gorgeous armed hero girls, or a ton of zombies and blood, of course, or goat. I don't know how, but you have to try to find one of these 3 things.
Yes. Ha ha ha. Maybe I'll go.
Maybe the letters can help us. Again.
Yes. Wait.
Sexy girls and zombies. Okay, it's a good idea. Kind of. But goats?
I would like to talk.
A goat! Obviously, the cage is locked. You must find the key. Look, the key. That flying squirrel took it. You must get it back. Find a ladder or something to go up. Something you can climb. That reminds me of my childhood. I used to climb a huge tree in the garden to get my kite back. Yes, I had a childhood. Well, this is a small tree. If only it was bigger. How can you carry water to that tree? I have no idea. First, where can we find water?
Okay, I'm back.
Then we will need to find a way to carry it.
That was so annoying. One How dare you? Nonsense coming. How dare you? Noises calling. Pick up bird.
Oh, there he is. Try to take it away from him. He doesn't want to let go. We will probably have to trade him something for it. What could a flying squirrel want? A parachute? Singing lessons? He's got a terrible voice. Or maybe he's just hungry. Yes, well done. Catch it. You're so clumsy. You've got the key. Now, free the goat to transform this glitchy program into a smash hit. Save the goat. Save the world. No!
Oh,
The
no.
goat was a lie!
No.
A lie!
A lie.
It's getting
Even the
worse!
cake is a lie.
More glitches! I'm rolling!
Oh, you're fine.
I'm not dead. I'm alive! I was wrong. It was a bad idea. Everything has disappeared. Except for me.
That's great.
I'm so sorry. I put you in danger. It's all my fault.
The pause isn't literally.
Will you please forgive me?
Yes.
Oh, really? That's great news. Maybe we can be friends? No, that's not a good idea. We will get bored together too quickly. Why? Because, like I said,
Because like I said,
there is no game!
Pick up